how to turn off iMessage on Mac. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop getting messages from iMessage or text messages from your phone on your Mac. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up the Messages app on our Mac. And if it's not down here, simply select Apps and then just type Messages and open it up. Once you have Messages open, all we need to do to disable iMessage is simply go up, select Messages in the top menu, then select Settings. Once the settings for Messages opened up, go over to iMessage, and there's a couple different settings we can change depending on what we want to do. Now, if you're getting text messages from your phone and you no longer want those text messages and you see a phone number right here, just toggle off that phone number and you'll no longer receive any messages from that phone number. If you want to turn off iMessage completely, there's two different options we can do. We can first select Enable Messages in iCloud. If you just toggle that off and select Disable this device, you will no longer receive any iMessage messages, so that will disable it on this Mac. Another option is to sign out of your Apple ID account on Messages on your Mac by just selecting Sign Out and then confirming you do indeed want to sign out of this app. So those are the two options to turn off iMessage on your Mac. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.